Assalamualaikum class 8. Hope you all will be good. Today date is 27/7/2020. It's my 25th lecture and day is Monday. We are doing the chapter Hazrat Asma radhiyallahu ta'ala anha. We have done all comprehension question answers. Today I am going to start book exercise. It's given on page number 39. See cataphoric reference or anaphoric reference. An expression that refers to a late expression in the discourse is called a cataphoric reference. So it is late expression. यानी हम पहले इंट्रोडक्शन देंगे और पर्सन का नाम हम बाद में लिखेंगे, लेट एक्सप्रेशन देंगे. सी हज़रत द होली प्रॉफिट सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम एंड हिज कंपेनियन हज़रत अबू बकर सिद्दीक़ रज़ी अल्लाह ताला अन्हु. सो हिज कंपेनियन वी राइट फर्स्ट, यानी उनका जो साथी थे और नाम हमने बाद में लिखा, हज़रत अबू बकर सिद्दीक़ रज़ी अल्लाह ताला अन्हु. That is called late expression. We will introduce the person and then we will write the name of a person or name of the city or anything. अगर इंट्रोडक्शन पहले आ जाता है और हम लेट एक्सप्रेशन देते हैं, वो नाम बाद में लिखते हैं, देन इट इज़ कैटाफोरिक रेफरेंस. एनाफोरिक रेफरेंस एन एक्सप्रेशन दैट रेफर्स टू एन अर्ली एक्सप्रेशन इज द डिस्कोर्स in the discourse is called an anaphoric reference. So if we have early expression, we write the name of a person first and then we will tell the details of the person. Example, Hazrat Asma radhiyallahu ta'ala anha was amongst the early few who accepted Islam. So we write the name of a person first, that is why it is anaphoric reference, and then we write she. शी हमने बाद में लिखा है, उसकी इन्फॉर्मेशन बाद में हम दे रहे हैं और नेम जो है पहले ही दिया है, यानी अर्ली एक्सप्रेशन शो कर रहे हैं. दैट्स वाई इट इज़ एनाफोरिक रेफरेंस. टेल वेदर द रेफरेंस गिवन इन दीज सेंटेंसेस इज़ एनाफोरिक और कैटाफोरिक. Abu Jahl, the chief of the disbelievers in a fit of fury, headed towards Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq Radhiyallahu Ta'ala anhu's home. So we write Abu Jahl, the name of a person first. That's why it is anaphoric reference. He began knocking at the door violently. Her grandfather Abu Quhafa was a disbeliever at that time. Abu Quhafa, we write लेट एक्सप्रेशन, दैट्स वाई इट इज़ कैटाफोरिक रेफरेंस. यानी इनके जो दादा थे, ग्रैंडफादर बाद में पहले लिखा है और नाम बाद में आ रहा है, इसलिए दैट्स वाई इट्स कैटाफोरिक रेफरेंस. व्हेन असलम वाज प्लेइंग क्रिकेट ही हर्ट हिज हैंड. सो वी राइट द नेम फर्स्ट, इट इज़ एनाफोरिक रेफरेंस. बिफोर शी फिनिश द वर्क नीलम, वी राइट द इंफॉर्मेशन एंड देन वी राइट नीलम, दैट्स वाई इट इज़ कैटाफोरिक रेफरेंस. Anis threw the stone, he broke the window. Anis, we write the name first, that's why it is anaphoric reference. When she entered the room, Zaib, we write the information first and then we write Zaib. It is cataphoric reference. Zaib was surprised to see so many guests. The city of garden, we write the information city of garden and then Lahore. So Lahore here is cataphoric reference. Lahore, it also famous for its historical places. So all of these you have to just remember. If we are writing early expression, it is cataphoric reference, and if we are writing early expression, it is anaphoric reference. See vocabulary. Choose the correct meaning of the underlined words. It was so delicate situation. Delicate means sensitive. Option C. Abu Jahl began knocking at the door violently. Violently here means angrily. Option D. She simply posed a counter question that infuriated Abu Jahl. Infuriated here means enraged. She remained steadfast and did not reveal the secret. Steadfast means firm and resolute. Consult the dictionary to find the meaning of the following word phrases and use them in sentences. So we have the phrases. Words and phrases such as mad with anger, fit of fury, reveal the secret, resolute, elevate, migration, companion, refuse, give away and determine. We will write the meaning and then we write the sentences. It's B exercise. Just see. Consult dictionary to find the meaning of the following word phrases and use them in sentences. Mad with anger, mad with rage, Becoming mad with anger, he slapped Asma radiallahu ta'ala anha. Fit of fury. To be really angry. In the fit of fury, he rushed at his enemy, revealed the secret, disclosed the secret. Aslam revealed the secret of his robbery in front of judge. Resolute, determined. He was firm and resolute to stand first in class. Elevate. Less severe. The doctor did his best to alleviate the pain of wounded soldier. Migration. Seasonal movement from one part of something to another. The migration of Holy Prophet ﷺ from Mecca to Medina is a great event of Islamic history. Refuge, protection or shelter from danger. Some of the Afghans came over to Pakistan to get refuge. Give away, a thing that is given free, often for promotional purposes. The chief guest gave away the prize. Companion fellow. We went for hunting with his companions. Determine, decide or regulate. Quaid-e-Azam was determined to make Pakistan. I hope you have understand all of this activity. I have done first 2 pages till vocabulary. Tomorrow I will start grammar portion. You have to do the work till here. Best of luck. Allah Hafiz.